Raptor is the original toy hauler. Even when the market saw turbulence in '08, Raptor continued to grow. Raptor was one of the first true toy haulers to market and continues to lead the industry with innovation, design, and construction. So the driving force behind our frame-welded Tiedowns was the fact that we can increase our weight rating and go from 5,000 from 2,500 on the D-rings that our competitors will use. The insufficiencies in that is ultimately when a customer is torquing those straps down, the anchor points can become weakened and then over time would fail. Whereas with our frame-welded Tiedowns, with those being welded directly to the frame, we are not having to worry about the increase in that if a customer is turning hard or braking hard. Raptor became a luxury brand when we added features like the frameless windows, in-command system, and solid surface countertops. We continue this trend by adding features like soft close cabinet doors, on-demand water heaters, and wireless phone chargers to the bedroom nightstands. In our market, the toys themselves have exploded in larger and bigger and better toys. So as we have seen with an uptick in side-by-side owners, we needed to transition to bigger garages. The challenge has always been to keep our innovative layouts while expanding to those longer garages. The market for Raptor has proven that we've overcome these challenges with the successes of the 413, the 415, the 423, and the 429. Our newest floor plan for the fall is the Raptor 420. Will surely be a game changer with its spacious living area, the huge master bedroom and bathroom suite, and a 13-foot garage with a half bath. Our idea with the new decor for the 2022 models was to go after that clean, modern home feel. And so combining our light uppers with the darker lowers, it allowed us to be able to create some clean separation, as well as our fascia will also contribute to a clean look and finish in that new decor.